Today, I stand as an Indian outraged at the attempt by the Congress-led India Alliance to bring to the floor of the House a resolution that stands against the Indian Constitution and the opinion of the Supreme Court of India. The question that now is to be posed to the Congress-led India Alliance is this: after the revocation of Article 370, tribals in Jammu Kashmir received their constitutionally guaranteed rights. After the revocation of Article 370, the Dalit and OBC community in Jammu Kashmir received, after years of struggle, their constitutional rights. After the revocation of Article 370, women who were constitutionally guaranteed protection against abuse and violence received their constitutional protection. The resolution passed by the India Alliance led by the Congress Party brings to the fore many questions. Does the Congress-led India Alliance stand against tribal rights, Dalit rights, women's rights, children's rights? Everybody in India knows that after the revocation of Article 370, deaths of civilians, the numbers came down by 80%. Incidents of violence came down by 70%. Tourism in Jammu Kashmir especially went up to a staggering figure of over 2 crore 11 lakh tourists, especially in the Kashmir Valley. Does the Congress-led India Alliance, today stand against the economic and constitutional interests of Jammu Kashmir? Does the Congress-led India Alliance today stand against the very premise that when Prime Minister Modi offered a package of 80,000 crore rupees to the citizens of Jammu Kashmir, do they stand against the development work of the government of India for the people of Jammu Kashmir? I am today joined in my outrage by the people of India and the Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Congress leadership, particularly the Gandhi family, needs to answer: do they stand for terrorism and stand against development of Jammu and Kashmir? Do they stand for breaking of India rather than stand and abide by the Constitution of India? The question that the Congress-led leadership has to answer, particularly in the states of Jharkhand and Maharashtra, do they stand against the valor of citizens who donned uniforms of the Indian Armed Forces to protect us better? Do they stand against tribal rights, rights of Dalits, OBCs, women and children? What they seek is a special status for themselves and not the people of Jammu Kashmir.
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल द उर्दू टाइम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और मज़ीद ऐसी ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को देखने के लिए बेल आइकन को ऑल पर सेट कर लें ताकि आने वाली तमाम तर खबरों की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंचती रहे।